Hey everybody, I'm Bob. Tonight's video we're going to be doing Esteps. You're going to need a couple things to do this. You're going to need a marker, some filament in your printer that's light enough that you'll be able to see the mark. Kitten's optional. A measuring device. I use a sliding square that I have locked into 120 millimeters and a piece of paper. Again, tonight's video is not sponsored, but I've been getting some support from the community and it is very much appreciated. Probably going to use Octoprint tonight because it's a little bit easier to see what I'm typing than on Pronterface. So we'll get set up. Go ahead and get your filament loaded, get the printer up to temperature. 230 for loading the filament's fine. That'll make sure that it goes through the through the printer fine. Okay, so we want to start. Go ahead and hit prepare. Hit filament in so that it heats the hot end up to 230. And we want to go ahead and pick any fixed point. With the Vyper, we're going to pick the filament sensor. Hold it up against it. And we're going to put a mark at 120 millimeters. Get it up there. Okay, you want your mark right at the 120 millimeters. All right. So now we go over to Octoprint. I'm already connected to the terminal. You can click these first two check boxes here. That'll stop everything from all the text from coming through on you. First thing we're going to do is type M92. That reads off your current steps. Your X, your Y, your Z, and your E for your extruder. You're going to want to write the E down. Mine's already set, but we're going to check it again anyway. But I've got 419.02. Okay, after you've got that wrote down, the next command is going to be G91. Go ahead and send that. That puts the extruder into relative mode so that when you tell it to move 100 millimeters, it actually moves 100 millimeters. It doesn't try and move to 100 millimeters. All right, the next is going to be G1. G1 means move. E100, we're going to move E-axis 100 millimeters. And then we're going to put F50. That makes it, space, F50. Let's try this again. Okay, so that makes, G makes it move. E is which axis? 100 millimeters at 50 millimeters per second. And we are up to temperature, so I'm going to go ahead and hit send. And it's moving slow. A lot of people suggest to do this with the Bowden tube disconnected. I like doing it this way better. If I've got something that's causing a little bit of extra tension anywhere in the nozzle, in the Bowden tube, this takes that into consideration. Okay, mine should be adjusted right, but we'll act like it's off just so that I can show you guys what to type in. Almost there. We measure to 120 millimeters and then make it move 100 so that it leaves enough out for you to measure. Because if it moves 105 millimeters and we only had it marked to 100, the mark would be up inside. All right, we're done moving. We'll go ahead and measure. And I've got exactly 20 millimeters, so this is actually adjusted right. Now we'll go ahead back over to Octoprint. To the computer. Now we're going to go to, we'll write down how much it was. It actually moved 100 millimeters, but let's just say that there was 25 millimeters left, which means it only moved 95 millimeters. Write that down. We'll go to this website here. It's th3dstudio.com/estep-calculator. And I will have this down in the description so you can copy and paste it. Okay, it has a place for you to put your current E-steps. So I will add the 419.02. Extrude filament. Okay, we've already done that. Enter the actual length that was extruded. We're going to say that mine only did 95 just for the point. Okay, and it says right here your new E-step value is going to be 441. And it even gives the command to change, to put in terminal to change your E-steps. M92 E441, you can copy that. Go back to your terminal. Paste it in there. Hit send. Okay, so that changed it. Now we want to save it. So we're going to type M500 to save. And we are going to type M503 just to check to make sure that everything went through. Go back up a little bit. Okay, here's the M92. And extruder steps are now 441. So that's it. Everything went. Okay, and again, have a PayPal link down below for anybody that wants to help support the channel. I want to thank everybody again that has already helped support. Hope the video helped. Leave a comment. Let me know what other videos you want to see. Thanks.